So as Spivey nears the end of the display, here comes a final opportunity for those with cameras to get a picture of the 2013 Takano display aircraft as he comes down to 100 feet to dip his wing to say goodbye. We'll be flying back to Linton on Inns tomorrow, and we're at Sunderland next weekend, and in August we're also at Blackpool, Eastbourne and Bournemouth, going pretty well so far then.
Yes, indeed it is. And Bondi, you displayed the Takano last year. What are some of the sort of problems and differences involved?
In poor weather conditions, so you might have a poor horizon, and therefore to judge your level attitude is a bit trickier. Also in the full displays you can adjust to datums for crowd centre, for your 230 metre line in the vertical as well, whereas doing the...
Stand right behind us to the rear of the showground area, where you can meet the drag.
Healthier than mine.
Went straight into a steep climb yesterday, but today holding it down for a bit longer, really showing something of the power at the disposal of the... Very impressive. And now here to talk about the Vulcan, Sean Matheson.
In order for her to be presented at shows like this and others, and we can quite a bit flying out on Monday afternoon, I believe. Back to
Tremendous. Mike, it's an absolute pleasure. A favourite aircraft of mine, I know very, very well.
Thanks very much for having me. Taking up my show. Just £30 a ticket to enter that particular enclosure, and a very pleasant place. Right now, though, action back in the sky again. Back to you, Ben.
Yes, we've got the Typhoon's landing and the impressive sight of the KC-767 from the Italian Air Force also turning onto finals. The first of several Italian contributions to today's display, which of course will be closed by their Air Force with the fantastic Frecce Tricolori. The KC-767 is the first essential, which will be contributing the C-27 and Typhoon displays, and which indeed contributed the Typhoon we could see rolling out in front of us there from the accident in the operations in Libya. Since then, they've also served in Afghanistan, and gradually the capabilities have been improved with the addition of more self-protection equipment, medevac capabilities and so forth. The refuelling boom, which it carries in it, which can also be fitted 600 gallons per minute, and the wingtip pods, behind which the two Typhoons sat for that fly past, can transfer 400 gallons a minute. Impressive figures, far in advance of those down at your local filling station. They can operate the KC-767A in all passenger configuration also, with 200 seats, or all cargo or combi configuration to pursue a very versatile aircraft. No wonder the US Air Force eventually selected, after a rather extended procurement program, another good chance of the Italian flag being flown from the cockpit by the flight crew of the KC-767A. So very appropriately, as the